Alright, so the pond from the deer stand view. You can see the fire's going good. Got the bulldozer there next to it. D6 is up on the hill. We're probably about 600 feet from it right now. And you can kind of get that feeling from how far my truck is from me. Way over there. So the pond's gonna come into this field, that fence is coming down. And all these trees on the other side came out, so you get a really good view of the next field over from this hunting stand. So it's gonna be really nice. And if I go to a wide angle, you can kind of see this is a nice place to hunt. Get a little fire going. Okay, so the water is going to come up to here. Focusing on my finger. Up there. And the dam's going to go across here, and it's going to be over there in this tree line. And then right up there where the cow is, right there, is going to be part of the pond. And the burn pile. And then that cut right there goes to the old pond. And it goes to that tree line down there. So getting the pond done, but this is the new pond right here. We got done taking down all the trees and grading it out, and now we're just gonna get the laser and figure out what contour we want. Thinking about putting a boat, sinking a boat out here in a car so we can go scuba diving on it. That'd be fun. So here it is.